welcome again to our vlog. This is Eunice, your Orange County girl. And for today's video, we are going to make a Filipino-style spaghetti because my Jamaican friend and my Spanish jowa requested it. So let's see if they like it. Alright. So Freddy is washing the dishes. Say hi, love.
Hi!
So guys, for our Filipino-style spaghetti, medyo ano lang, these are the ingredients. Kasi wala akong onion. I forgot to buy an onion. So, first, gagawa tayo ng, papakulo tayo ng spaghetti. I have the Barilla spaghetti. It's I think it's the normal size. And then, for the oil, I use my ghee, Himalayan pink salt, butter, grass-fed. And then, since my Jamaican friend, she's not eating pork, so I bought a beef, ground beef. And then, I bought a Filipino-style pasta sauce. Filipino sweet style. And then, I have two different sauce. So, I like this home fried now. Except, kasi mura siya. At the same time, they have two flavors. So, this one is Filipino sweet style sauce. And I have another one. We have the pasta sauce Parmesan cheese. Ayan. So, guys, I hope magustuhan ng aking Jamaican friend. Her name is Sean. Hi, Sean. If you're watching this right now, I'm filming how I cook the spaghetti. So if you like it, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, okay? And if you like it, you can cook it on your own home. See? So first, guys, magpapakulo tayo ng tubig. Ayan, naglalagay na tayo ng water. Ayan o, water. Collect? Ba't ka nahihiya, love? Why are you shy? He's a shy type. Shy type. Ayan, tapos na. Okay, well, let's put it in the kalan. And then, kasi naka-on na siya. And then, we will put yung aking mantika. Diba instead na mantika? I'll put a ghee, clarified butter, Himalayan salt, grass-fed. Ayan. Healthy, guys. Pa-healthy tayo. Pero, pa-healthy lang. Okay. So, while waiting for the, na kumulo, we will cook our ground beef from Gelson. Gelson or Gelson? Bahala na. Basta. From Gelson. Ayan, guys. Look, na-dissolve na siya. We will just use the onion salt. Ano ba to? Onion granules. Charots. Yan. And then, we will add garlic salt sa ating pasta.
Okay, baby. I'm in the room.
So, done na si Freddy, guys. We will wash this one. Ayan. So, guys, kumukulo na ang ating water. So, we will put na our pasta. Oh, hey. Ayan, wait lang. Ayan lang, guys. Alo, no. Nangayabo, besh. Si Pangs kasi. So, hindi alam ni Sean na nahulog. So, lagay natin sa ano. Mamamatay naman ang bacteria. Alright. And then we will mix it. Oh, cooking show with me, with your Orange County girl. And then, I want more garlic. Let's put garlic. So, it tastes garlic. Charots. Yan. It tastes. And then, we will set 10 minutes para maluto ang pasta natin. Nalukaan ko. OMG! So, Sean, just on the subtitle, if you want to watch my YouTube, how I make my spaghetti. So, because I forgot to speak English. And then we would time it for 10 minutes. Then, now let's start to cook our meat. So, para healthy tayo dish. Kasi, sabi nila, if you want to be healthy, how to start to be healthy, just change your oil and avoid sugar. So, that's the first step to a healthier, happier you. So, we try our best to avoid sugar, guys. But for today's, I bought a Coca-Cola. So, this is our ghee. Wala tayong onions. Ay, hello? Wala tayong onions, but it's okay. We have granulated onions. Si Pangs ba? Dito pa. And then we will put our granulated onions. Yan, daghan. Smells so good. And then we will put garlic. And now we'll put our washed beef. So good. Want to make sure na marami kaming beef, maraming meat, because I like a meaty spaghetti and I like a saucy spaghetti also. And then I also like butter in my spaghetti, but since I want to be healthy, so this is what I use as a butter, guys. This is the ghee again. Yeah, I bought it in the Tribe Market. So I want to show you my very cute dog while waiting for the meat. Say hi to my vlog. Hi, Mimi. Camera shy. Ayan. Yun siya. Super cute. She goes wherever I go. Hi, Langga. Say hi to my vlog. Ayan. So, let's wash our hand. Kasi nagunit ko kay Pangs. So, guys, I already rinsed our spaghetti. And we rinse it with water. Charot. Ayan. Ito na siya. And then, this is how it looks for now. But, we will drain that one. Bango. Kahit walang onion. So guys, I already transfer our meat on the other pot, and now we're going to open our pasta sauce, Filipino sweet style, and then the pasta sauce Parmesan cheese. We will combine the two sauces. Ay nako, si Pangs talaga. Wherever I go, you go. And then we put now. And then because we are Filipino, sulit ang sauce. No. Yan. Water. Para sulit ang sauce, guys. Yan. Okay na. Then we mix it. I hope they like it. Hawa pang. Ayan. Ipakita natin. So this is how it looks. Ayan. So meaty, so saucy. So delicious. We'll mix it and we put the fire in a low heat. Hala, nausalay mo. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how I make my pasta. So easy, right? Make sure you love what you do. So, para this food is made with love, diba? I made it with so much love. Kahit walang maraming ingredients. So, Pangs, don't, off. So, and then I made it with Pangs beside me. So, Pangs, so we're just gonna wait for Sean. Right, Punky? Oh, yan. So, alright, guys. So, this is our dinner for tonight. So, I prepare for my Jamaican friend and for my Spanish jowa a homemade Filipino style spaghetti. And then we have the chips and salsa. And then we have our organic, what is that? Grapes? Yeah, grapes. Yeah. And then, so Freddy likes to drink this Coca-Cola bottle. And then look at our baso. It's the jar. It's actually, we recycled it. Kasi, para tipid. Charot. So that's our dinner is prepared and Sean is here. Baby, just help me. Okay. So alright guys, Shauna is here now. So alright Sean. So let's eat now and then let's see if Shani, did you try Filipino spaghetti before? No. Oh, it's her first time. So let's see if she likes it. Okay. Sean. So Sean is now putting a sauce.
How did you make the sauce?
Oh, it's in my blog, so you have to watch it because this is for you. If you like my sauce, if you like my spaghetti, then it's so easy for you to cook at home.
It's not store-bought?
No, it's just a simple ingredients, but I made it with so much love.
That's sorry. What?
That's for the chips.
Filipino sauce is sweet versus sour.
Yeah, you have to mix it.
Like that.
Okay, darling.
Yeah.
Mix it all.
Yeah. So Sean put the salsa on my sauce.
It's not wet salsa, so it's okay.
Yeah.
It's not a mango.
let's see. Yeah, let's see if she likes it. For sure, she will like it.
Let's see. Here we go.
You like it?
It's good.
Okay. What can you say about my spaghetti?
It's flavorful, not too sweet. And very juicy also.
Wow. So I can.
She can cook, guys.
I
She
can cook. Oh, what about? So the Spanish guy. We will ask the Spanish guy.
Hispanic guy.
Yeah. It's his time.
Are you recording?
I'm recording.
Well, hi everyone. Sorry.
Okay. Tell about my spaghetti.
Sure.
Tell about.
I will give you a quick description of.
Shauna, you like it?
Yeah.
I need more sauce.
No char? No char? Like no kidding?
No kidding. No, I just made a mess. Sorry.
It's okay to make a mess because life is messy. Charot.
No.
But it's beautiful. Okay, Freddy now is
okay?
mixing. Freddy now is mixing his spaghetti. I said mixing because he's a Mexican. Mixing.
Sampler.
So we have another sampler here.
Food taster.
Food taster. What can you say about my spaghetti?
Good.
Char, good lang,
Very
good. Guys, round 2 niya na. So, meaning, super sarap ang spaghetti ko. How delicious is my
After
spaghetti?
I eat it?
Yeah.
Okay. How's my head? My hair.
Your hair is fine.
My goodness. Alright. I feel like there's pressure just to eat my.
No, after this, we will eat.
Alright, ready?
Because we have to chismis.
Alright. I'm going in.
Okay.
Very tasty.
You like the spaghetti?
I enjoy the spaghetti, yes. One of my favorites. And then the sauce is sweet versus like, sour. But very delicious. I would recommend.
Alright guys, my spaghetti Filipino style pass with my Jamaican friend and my Hispanic Habibi. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What about Pons? No spaghetti for you. No spaghetti for you because you're jumping to Sean. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now. I hope you enjoy my cooking. Sean, you like to greet your mom, Char?
Shout out.
Shout out to...
My Jamaican mommy.
Yes. Okay, spread the love in Jamaica. Bye, guys.
Bye.